This episode is sponsored by cruiseline.com, where you can review cruise prices using easy-to-use cruise search and set up a price alert for your next dream cruise. Be sure to visit their site using the link in the description below.
Hey cruisers, we're just off a Carnival cruise, and while it's fresh in our minds, we wanted to share the ins and outs of the Carnival Hub app with those of you who may be sailing with Carnival soon. We're filming this in May of 2018, and we realize the app will likely change and expand, so keep that in mind if you're watching this in the future. Now, the Hub app is a free app you can download to your smartphone or your tablet before your cruise, or as soon as you board your Carnival ship, as long as you have access to an app store. To use the app, you put your phone in airplane mode, then connect to the ship's Wi-Fi. It only works while you're on board, but there is so much you can do with it, from chatting with your friends in other cabins to checking out your stateroom account. So here's a little rundown of the features. Number 1, it lets you chat with your friends for a one-time $5 chat charge per device throughout the entire cruise. Number 2, it can sort of replace your fun times if you want to go paperless. You simply launch the app, click on What's Happening, and favorite the activities you'd like to save. The app then adds the activity time and place to your favorites area, which is basically like a little daily schedule you can create for yourself. Now, it even sends you reminders of your selected events 15 minutes before the event, like this. Pretty cool when you're in vacation mode and you lose track of time. Not so cool if you leave your phone in the safe. All right, number 3, it tells you where you can eat or drink right now on the cruise, and that is pretty handy since it can be kind of complicated to keep track of buffet and main dining room opening and closing times, right? Number 4, it is another spot where you can log in if you have an internet plan or purchase a plan if you don't. On our 7-night sailing, there were 3 plans available. Number 1, the social plan, which allowed you to browse social websites for $35 all cruise. The value plan, which you can buy by the day or by the cruise, and allows pretty much everything except Skype calling or music streaming. And the premium plan, which you can also buy by the day or the cruise. The premium plan offers the fastest connection and the most access, including Skype and video calling. All right, on to number 5. You can browse and book shore excursions using the Hub app. It will show you if the excursion is accessible, the price, duration, activity level, all of that right at your fingertips. Number 6, you can check out your stateroom account throughout the cruise without making a trip to the front desk or one of those goofy kiosks where you print off 10 pages of your account balance. Enough said, right? Finally, number 7. This may seem silly, but it's probably the feature I use the most on my cruise, and that is that the app shows you the ship's time. With a few time changes on our last cruise, this came in really handy when I didn't want to dig for my wristwatch or think about whether my watch was actually set to the right time zone. We hope this information was helpful for you, and be sure to share your tips for using the Carnival Hub app in the comments below, and follow Cruise Tips TV on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter to check out our photos and videos from our cruise travels. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.
Hey, click me to subscribe.